Alright guys, so today I'm going to be opening up my new Prusa Original Mark 2s. Alright guys, I'm pretty excited. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the new Prusa i3 Mark 2s, which I just got. I got the fully assembled kit. What puts the S separate from the regular Mark II that they had is they have new bearings with rods, and there is a metal U-bolt holding it in instead of the traditional Prusa zip ties that they tend to use a lot. It comes with a brand new Pinda mount, and there's one more thing. I'll remember it later. But so today I'm going to be opening it up and showing you guys what the new Mark II looks like. Alright. Trusty knife. Knifed. Alright, what do we got here? So it originally came in there was some black plastic around the outside, but presumably to keep it marked, or so it's unmarked and people don't try to steal it because it's cool technology and all that. But I took that off because I wanted to check the box integrity before I did all this, and it came out good. Thank you, UPS guy, for not screwing up my box. Ooh. We got a congratulations on getting your Prusa Mark II assembled. And there's a little checklist checked by squiggly line saying I should have my filament hooks, needle, alcohol pads, USB cable, glue stick, and a manual. Well, also a printer. And then invoice. Well worth it, hopefully, in the end. Let's set these papers aside. And we're going to start off. We have styrofoam! Ha! Alright, where do I start here? Let's start with this. We have some smaller boxes. I'm going to start with those here. Pull cardboard. What do we have here? Oh, filament. 1.75 millimeter PLA in, that looks like gray. Nice, I like it. Gray is always a good color to have. More cardboard. Well, let's see. We have a small box here. Oh. Knife. That's all I needed it for. This is all the smaller accessories. Filament mount. USB cable. US power cable. SD card, needle, isopropyl alcohol wipes. Glue stick. Let's see. Cores and the rest of it is not in English. That's okay. I think I understand how glue works though. Let's see, a 3D printing handbook. There's my manual. Probably gonna read this after I start running into problems because that's just what I do. And then probably the biggest reason I brought this printer. Alright, so here we have a little printout, the little test printout for the assembled version, because that's the one I got. It looks like the firmware was okay, printer communication, everything. Showing its max temperature reached in, or maximum of 250 C reached in 90 seconds. Yeah. Everything's looking good. The heated bed to reach 100 degrees Celsius took 314 seconds, so not too bad. I know heated breads take a little longer. I'm going to keep the paperwork there. Oh, let's see. I got to turn this. Get some stuff out of the way. I totally threw the box, didn't I? Here. You guys get this here. Stuff. Alright, now, it didn't really say how to remove it, but I'm just going to take a guess here. Seems pretty safe to do it this way. Alright, throw that around there. Alright, here is the Prusa mk2s. Oh, I remember what the other thing is. Improved cable management, because there were some issues with the cables wearing out. So that is the other thing that they updated with this edition. So as you can see, I got the fully assembled. We have some zip ties, holding it together for transit. On the print bed, they do have the test print. We have, let's see if it'll come up here. Trusty spatula. We have the Prusa logo in 2 colors. Oh, that is a beautiful first layer. I'm going to come up here and show that to you guys. We got Prusa in their orange and their black filament. Also, a fun little brim. I don't know what that's for, but all right. Time to cut some zip ties here. Oh, cardboard. Come on. That might be part of my printer forever. I don't know. Hold on. There we go. Alright, now I should. I got a piece of styrofoam there protecting the pin to probe. Let's see, we got underneath the printer here a couple more zip ties. Oh, and you know what? I just remember another thing. Improved cover for, I can't remember. It's either the electronics here or the power. They also, I think it's over here. I think it's where they got the board there. But yeah, so let's get I'm gonna bring it up closer so you guys get a good look at it. Oh. It's heavier and lighter than I thought it'd be. Woo! Printer. All right, I'm gonna get this cool design off there. Got that there. Alright, so I guess now the big thing is let's plug it in and see if it even turns on. Do, do, do. Do, do. Do, do, do. Oh, we have a light. Oh, look at that. Alright, let's pull out their SD card here. I believe that goes right down here. That way. Alright, so I was able to get the printer going. The problem was I had to read the manual. I needed to do a Z-axis calibration, and then after that it had no problem finding the level of the bed, and started printing. The first thing I printed was this frog. And it turned out really good. I've done a couple other prints. I did this bat symbol right here. I've done a little bit of dungeon terrain. This right here, and I was playing around with some settings, different filaments, and right now, my first impressions are it's a great little machine. It's producing fantastic, high-quality prints. I'll give you my full review after I've had some chance to really run it through some tests. And, well, that's all I got to say about this one, and I guess I'll see you next time. Alright, everybody. Remember, if you like what you saw, check me out on all my other sites. All the links will be down below. Also, why not check out some of these videos while you're here? Don't forget to subscribe, and go ahead and hit that little bell button down below. So, you know, when I do another video, you get first choice on comments. Alright, everybody. See you next time.